I am here on the beautiful Disney private island, Castaway Cay. I'm in our cabana area, and I would like to take you on a tour of cabana number 3. Beautiful cabana number 3. Let's go take a peek. And here we go. Look at the view. Let's start there. The beautiful Disney Wonder is in the background. Great way to spend your day. Chase lounges for you to relax all day long. Sunscreen is provided, a 50 and a 30. Nice living room area. My family loves to play cards in the cabana. And you also have a little changing area here where you can pull the curtain back. I love that. Ceiling fans. And over here we have fruit, complimentary. We have snacks. We have the love the button. Push the button and your cabana host will come and get you whatever you need. We have towels, soda, water, complimentary, unlimited. Towels, sound system, and a very nice closet, if you will. Let's go take a peek out at the beach. Now, our cabana guests have a private beach, so no need to go over with all of our other guests. You have complimentary floats and tubes. You have your area to be all by yourself with your family privately. Love it. Have your hammock. Pelican's Plunge is right over there for the kiddos. You can go across if you want to, but there's toys for the kiddos. It's a shower if you need it when you come off the beach. Now our cabanas are very, very popular. I know the tips and tricks to get you one. My guests love my complimentary services when they book with me. So don't forget, for your next Disney cruise or any Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. I can help you get a cabana for your family. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page to follow all of my Disney travel. I look forward to working with you soon.